Hello Kenta friends. Today, I want to share with you some of the best thumbnail maker apps for Android. As a YouTuber, creating eye-catching thumbnails is essential for attracting viewers to my videos. So, in this video, I'll be discussing 3 top-notch thumbnail maker apps and their amazing features. Let's dive in. PixelLab. PixelLab is a highly popular application among YouTubers for its powerful and user-friendly thumbnail maker features. This app offers a wide range of effects, fonts, stickers, and background images that can be used to create eye-catching and creative thumbnails. Additionally, PixelLab provides features to add text, shapes, and layers, allowing users to create even more unique thumbnail designs. Thumbnail Maker Channel Art. Thumbnail Maker Channel Art is an application specifically designed for creating YouTube thumbnails. This app offers a variety of customizable thumbnail templates to suit the user's needs. Users can modify text, images, colors, and shapes on the templates, as well as adjust the size and layout. Furthermore, Thumbnail Maker Channel Art provides features to import images from the gallery and easily save and share thumbnails. Thumbnail Maker Pro. Thumbnail Maker Pro is a premium application that gives users full control over creating YouTube thumbnails. With this app, users can effortlessly create thumbnail designs that match their style and brand. The app offers a wide selection of fonts, stickers, and other design elements to produce captivating thumbnails. Thumbnail Maker Pro also allows users to rearrange the position, size, and color of design elements, as well as add special effects to enhance the appearance of the thumbnail. That's a wrap for today's video on the best thumbnail maker apps for Android. PixelLab, Thumbnail Maker Channel Art, and Thumbnail Maker Pro are all fantastic options to help you create captivating thumbnails that will grab your viewers' attention. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.